everyone, it's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, and I used the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette, and yeah, I was really excited to use this palette. So if you want to see how I achieved the look, then just keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, hit that bell button, turn on your post notifications so that you never ever miss a video. And then if you live in the USA, definitely comment done down below to be automatically entered. Unfortunately, our giveaways are US only, so just a heads up on that. But yeah, this is how the palette looks like on the inside. It's really beautiful. So I just jumped right into it. The first shade that I went in with is the shade Supreme, which is this pink shade. And I did prime my eyes with some Too Faced concealer, but you guys have seen that so many times that I thought I would leave it out of this tutorial just because I don't want to bore you guys. But yeah, I went in with that defined angled brush with that matte pink shade, and I just focused that above my actual crease. And then I did go in with a fluffy brush to blend everything out before going in with this shade, Big Wig, which is this purple shade. And I grabbed the same defined angled brush and I just went over where we applied the pink shade previously. And then I went back into the matte pink shade Supreme, and I actually went in with a really big blending brush and I just blended out that line that we created just to make sure that everything is nice and blended. And you can go back in, add more depth, and then blend it out again. Just do it however you desire. If you don't want that much depth, you don't have to go in with that much darkness in the crease, but I personally like it. And then I went into the shimmery purple shade called Shookington, and yeah, I just packed that all over my eyelid. And then I decided that I wanted it to pop a little bit more, so I went in with my purple glitter from NYX, and I went in with my NYX glitter primer. Just use whatever glitter you have at home, or you don't even have to use glitter for this look, but I just wanted it to pop even more. So I went in with that purple glitter and I just packed that all over the lid. And usually when I do a liquid liner, I don't typically grab the glitter, I don't drag the glitter all the way down to the lash line because I'm going to be adding liquid liner there and I don't want it to become clumpy. So you'll see what I'm talking about. So since I went in with the liquid liner, I went in with the Urban Decay Perversion liquid liner. And as you can see, since I didn't bring the glitter all the way down, it's a lot more smooth of a line. And then for lashes, I went in with my Sophie Bella lashes. Of course, if you guys don't know, Sophie Bella is our lash brand. So every time you support our company, you're supporting us as influencers. So yeah, the lashes that I went in with are in the style Bora. And then I went in with the cream liner from ColourPop in the shade Piggy Bank, and I feel like this really just made the eyes pop even more. And then I went in with the same colors that we used in our crease, so I went in with the shade Supreme, which is the pink shade, and I just put that all over my lower lashes. And then I went in with Big Wig, which is the purple shade that we used previously. And first I went in with a defined angled brush and focused that color really close to my lash line, and then I went back into this fluffier brush with some more of that Supreme shade just to blend everything out so that it is nice and smooth. And then the very last thing that I did was I added some mascara to my lower lashes, and yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed watching as much as I enjoyed filming it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!